What is up, you guys? It is Buster36, and today we're playing Fluff's Transportation Service pull-in mainly game, and this is one of their pull-in games. So today we're gonna take a drive on 2010 ICCE bus 29 right here, and today we're gonna do high school 8 p.m. route, middle school, and then elementary route today. And also we're doing daycare, I think, for the mixed, with the mix, of course. Um, so yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing today. We're gonna go start up our bus. The coolest thing about this bus, it has sound now. No longer has that, that muted sound bus sound. More like it has sound on this bus though. Kind of has a little laggy issues, a little bit, has a bit of laggy issue. That's just a thing. I'm not sure it's the game or is it just the bus in general. I'm gonna see if the buses actually can move really faster. So this time we're driving 91 this time. Second attempt. 10 that I didn't drove 29, okay? Just 10 that nothing happened. 10 that nothing happened. Is it the same thing? Definitely the same thing. It's behaving the same thing again. It's legit the same thing. Or it just has the most slowest acceleration than the others. So I know I had drove another bus, which is a 2011. It accelerated pretty good. This one, no, this one's like a standard in that slower fleet. They're more difficult than you think, unless it's the way the game is made, I'm not sure these are not made for these longer, like these kind of buses. Like these buses can easily lag or be really slow with saturation. And they can be hard to slow down, of course, as usual. Well, you can't blame the game or someone who developed the game in the first place. There's a little mini-map in the background. Got a little mini-map in the game. Slowly making our way to the high school route. Look at this, it's not slowing down at all. It takes a long time to slow down. Okay, I just have to blue by the red light. Just turn that over half and go. It's not my fault this bus is like a laggy piece of crap, though. This bus is pretty garbage, for real, though. Like, it doesn't do any good in general. It just does, like, pretty laggy. It's super laggy, though. Like, watch. Yeah, it's laggy. Okay, I think I might have to switch buses, though. I don't know what I can do about these buses, though. These buses are a pain in the neck, though. Like, why? Yeah, you know what I'm gonna say? You wanna know what the video is called? So I'm gonna be called the CE problem. The mainly Poland mainly's route bus problem. I think that what you'll see in the title. I think we'll know I think we know what the title will be today. This video. Today I'm playing Poland game and this bus has trouble. So today we're driving 25 again. Third attempt. Oh, it's stuttering. It's kind of stuttering. I give up playing driving a CE. I give up. The CEs are suck. They suck at accelerating. I'm sorry. I just don't. I'm not really a big fan of these CEs though. For all though, these CEs are pretty slow though. I'll have to choose a different bus. Rather if I choose the same. I'm not sure it would make a difference between the 2000. I'll do it for one more time. I swear to God, if it takes forever, I'm gonna be I'm gonna be really mad though, cause that means I've been spawning like I'm spamming like so many buses in one video though. What's going on? This time I'm driving 61. I'm having problems with this bus, and I have a dog that's scratching on my window again, as usual. I can't stand this dog. Is it the game's fault? Is it just me, or is it the game is just making it laggy? I could try to use this faster bus, but it could be the game in general, though. I'm just saying, this game could probably be lagging a little bit. In the downtown, or even the main game itself. I can't blame it on that. What can I say? Look at this! Yeah, it's 100% here. It's lagging. It's lagging. I know that this video is gonna be called the CE we're gonna Poland main route black game problems. Cause I'm dealing with a bus that has lagging problems. This game has sometimes laggy problems with this game though. This game's laggy. Even if there's nobody there, there's nobody in there. If you've seen the leaderboard, nobody's in the game. It's the game in general that's causing the problems. Like these buses can't even stand these long games though. Like this CE can't stand. Like it's not stuttering really quick or slowing down more quickly. Look. It doesn't saturate quickly. It doesn't break quickly. Oh my gosh. How many times do I have to switch damn buses in one video though? I'm having problems with lag issues though. This is just a pain in the gut right there. That's why I could quote that as, you know what, instead we're gonna take this 2021 Bluebird. I'm sick of tired driving a CE though. In this game though. Forget it, we're taking a Bluebird. I'm sick of tired having this laggy issue all the time. I could have been at the high school by now though. What the heck? God, this bus. That's what I thought. Okay, I guess CEs can't stand games like that. But Bluebirds can. I guess that's how you know that you should rather drive a Bluebird rather than a CE in those areas, because those areas can easily make a bus real laggy. Or to just take time to accelerate or brake at the same time. Even though my buses are the exact same thing. Unless we can make the buses more stutteratable rather than unstutteratable. Who knows? But for real though, that would be pretty crazy though. What can you do with the sea though? Though I really want these buses to be really well, actually, I got some news I forgot to tell you guys. But also, so stay tuned for more videos also too. Not only stay tuned for more videos, which is coming soon, but also you should start following me on social media on Facebook and TikTok. However, there'll be more TikTok videos coming soon. There's just 2 videos on TikTok, but more videos will be coming soon if I have any suggestions what I should do on the videos. Like I could do a bus vlog, like do things on the buses though. But if you want me to do more, let me know comments below in the YouTube comments below or TikTok below. And if you have any suggestions or any questions or Q&A questions about about bus 36 or whatever, or any difference about Canadian America buses, comment down below though, because it will keep the TikTok channel going as soon as possible, but it will take time though, because I don't have any suggestions. What things that people want me to do in the videos though. So if you have any questions or any whatever, comment down below. But at the same time though, I'm just really in this app version of my career on TikTok. But also you can follow me on Twitter also. That's the new great news. The big news is you can start officially following me on Twitter, because we already officially have a official bus gallery. I have a full bus gallery, half for like Celtic student transportation, public bus lines, and some Southland transportation, and some other, you name it. You guys, the video, the thing will be in the description. But also, if you want to check them out, if you watch my other older videos, you will see that they are been renamed or been linked to my TikTok. You actually realize that it was supposed to be my 480 or 500 video. However, due to a lack of content, or just due to a lack of recording errors that might cause a toxic concern, I had to force to delete, let's say, like 25% of my channel's videos though. So that kind of sucks. Now it used to be 700 or 475, now it's down to 409, or now it's gonna be 410 right as of now. As I'm done recording it. Anyways, I'm just gonna shut some doors up because I just don't get disturbed. It's not green, I swear to it. Dang it, it's green! What the heck? I'm not opening the window, stop scratching my window. I know you want to come here, but you can't. I know when I did that legitly. Okay, if I swear, I could be anytime soon. Stop! Okay, once again, I'm already made it to the high school right now. While my dog is still scratching my window. I can't stand this dog though. I can't stand this pup. Why she can't even open the door or scratch the door though? Not scratch my window. My windows is broken though. For real though. But for real, why is my dog convincing to open my window? My window is not really functional anymore. But anyways, I'm just gonna hold in just a few moments because I gotta go deal with this little spoiled little dog. Uh, give me a few moments. I can't stand this anymore. Okay, let's do part as. I'm gonna do part anyways. Alright, no longer do. Oh, at least there's a big turnaround though. That's good news. Good, it's green. Good timing. Yeah, sometimes these buses can take a really good time just so I can. Oh great, now who showed up? My little dog that always scratches over my window. Oh jeez, oh jeez, oh jeez. She's cute, but she's kind of sometimes annoying. I can't stand this though sometimes. At least we managed to do a route finally. Instead of like just doing with a bunch of laggy problems with the CE though. At least we're driving a Bluebird today. Allow me to tell this video that's what it is now. Driving a 2021 Bluebird Vision instead of like an IC bus. People might say, well, why you're driving a C in the beginning? I was thinking the C is actually running and I was like, that was wrong because the bus is actually laggy as hell right there. Like, I can't stand, oh man. Okay, not only this bus is more easily to stuttering, but there also sometimes it can easily turn more sharpy than usual. It can turn more sharpy. Anyways, not much is happening right now, but it's just we just got almost most of my pictures done, bus pictures done, and it's already been sent on mostly sent on Twitter. So if you want to see my full bus gallery, which I'm not gonna do that again because I did it like multiple times over the past last year and this year. I'm not gonna do this again though, so that'll be only do in another time as an example. If something happens, but doesn't matter. Anyways, you guys, we're gonna be just about done runs though right now. Anyways, yeah, I think the video will be coming up soon, so stay tuned. I'll be doing more of these Poland videos. This is, if you want to play this game, I'll link it in the description at the end of the video, which I should start doing that in every single video. I never been doing that pretty often. Even I've been usually just following social media links, just so people can follow me though, attempt to follow me. Oh no 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 no, that's not, this can't be happening. Oh my gosh. Scared myself though. Oh my goodness. I was gonna crash this bus though. Jeez. Jeez. Gosh. I was gonna crash this bus there. For real though. So I'll do 4 videos of this game because I know there's like a bunch of schools there, but also there's plenty of buses that I can drive. Besides the CE kind of, I'm not gonna drive the CE for a while because obviously it has laggy issues that I just don't like, and they're just pain in the gut. Oh my goodness, speaking of pain in the gut. Even though the time is slow, but still, it's still an issue sometimes. And now I'm gonna go make my way to the middle school right away as I'm done this route. Gotta make my way to the middle school though, which I should right soon. Just cute though, but she's just so trouble though. Anyways, we're gonna make our way to the middle school right now. Just a few moments right now. Oh, bummer! I accidentally took the. Gosh dang it! I accidentally took the turn, the left turn. Like, oh my goodness, why did I do that? Okay, why did I do that? Is there a purpose why I did that on purpose? Did I did it on purpose or not? Did I did it on purpose though? Let me come to know that I did it on purpose or I didn't. Or it could be a good idea. These buses are actually a pain. I think that's the pain. But also stay tuned because I'm also announcing So also, I'm gonna be announcing that the Southland game is still in the development, a little bit delayed a bit again. The reason why it's due to the Bluebird Vision having stop sign problems. So you know, like the stop signs that also come out with the bus. That bus has issues with the stop sign, but with only just one stop sign has an issue. And I'm just asking one of my developers if they really should change the stop sign. Even though my friend named Jack, which I guess the guy who actually gave me the bus in the first place, though. Actually, that was the last stop, though. Did it as a bonus, though. Doesn't matter. This is really pain. This is pain right now. It's really painful. Just driving in these roundabouts. These roundabouts are pretty narrow. It's pretty hard to try and turn with this bus here. Even though I was hoping to go with I was gonna replace all my invats with Helix Fleet. However, I didn't able to do it because I'm already banned from the ductless system. Because of course I leak a bunch of stuff. You kind of doubt why I keep leaking crap all the time. What game actually leaked? I actually just in the first place. Well, I know I leaked the training center one time. And they probably noticed it, and also the buses were actually nearly leaked from the. However, I got them from Sunshine Public Schools, and didn't got them from. I mean, the Canadian spec from the Sunshine Schools Development Yard, built by scratch. However, I never think this through when it comes to building a CE. When it comes to transmissions or chassis itself, it was kind of hard because every time you have to get off the bus or whatever, the bus will automatically shut off, just like any typical one of the CE MBAT fleets. They are. Why did I close my door? Or rather, why did I just shut my door? So stay tuned for more videos. I will be doing some videos coming up soon, but stay tuned. Just gonna wait until 2 o'clock and we'll depart. Yeah, that's pretty much like. But also, why did I do that? It's not even 2 o'clock yet. So, what I'm gonna do is, we're gonna be doing middle school right now, and then we're gonna go through elementary down the hill, and then we're gonna finish up the bit there. Or we can do daycare, just for extra time. Daycare won't be in peace. This guy's torturing me. Well, you deserve it pretty much from disturbing me from my window though. But if you guys want me to do more, okay, breaking problem. The spamming part did it. Maybe if I go back on the bus, it should be able to work. Usually, if it if it ends like that, which is pretty common. Newer ones, they actually seem to do this thing again. There we go, finally it's fixed. Usually if it acts like that a lot often, it makes you more cringe. It's usually the best option to do it to fix that issue is to get off your seat and then get back on your seat, and then the brakes will be released. But only if you get up on the bus. Only. Their LEDs. But also, I'm gonna show you some pictures in the community tab about the buses, though, because those buses are pretty nice, though. For real, though, these are pretty nice buses. So the only big difference is they're actually more smaller dome lights, new dome lights on the bus, new windows from the Helix fleet that I got, well, not got, but I also took from kind of leaked from the other bus that someone accidentally leaked it, and then so I could easily get access to them. Well, I didn't ask permission though, so who cares? What else they're gonna do? What else they're gonna do? Try to ban me on Roblox? Are they gonna get Advanced Builder from Roblox to ban me though? Just because how much my buses are just gonna get. Yeah, even though my buses were leaked over time though too, because I remember Mason did leak my buses. But that'll be all the information will be another time. But I think I might start a podcast pretty soon, but also be actually having lots of links and clips from the videos, but also that will be all in the description if you want to check them out. But also, the video will be coming soon. The video, the history video will be coming soon, so stay tuned. It might be planned to release sometime this weekend or next week. I don't know. But I know I'm starting to grow a little quicker, but at the same time, it's taking its time. Well, 500 is not a big goal, but sometimes it is pretty much nearly. 500 is a fairly 500 milestone. Even I could celebrate my 250 subscriber, and then celebrate my 500 subscriber, 750, and then 1,000, and then I get 25,000, 5,000, 50,000, and 75,000, and beyond. Maybe those would be the good milestones, just because I'm just a smaller YouTuber that's only been uploading for at least 2 years now. Kind of shortly, 2 years. Now having social medias now on those new social media platforms like Twitter, which is the Canadian Bus Gallery, and then the TikTok, which is actually my Bus 36 bus vlog, where I just do bus vlogs, just, you know, rather than buses just driving by, or, you know, or just making videos about buses. But if you want me to do it, if you have suggestions what you want me to do, comment down below. I guess I will do it if there is suggestions for videos, latest videos. And also, I'll pin those comments, and then we'll sort that out in the video. But what about the gallery video? What about the Wikipedia? The Wikipedia video will be soon. So I think if we get 450 subscribers, I'm definitely doing a school like bustling Wikipedia hopefully. But however, I have to contact the Canadian division bus border system about the what's it? I forgot. I think it's called Canadian Transit Division Border. About the Wikipedia buses that I have on Wikipedia or on my Twitter though right now. And then I think as we can check some pictures that I've been posting or whatever. Who knows? It depends though, but same time, I would have suggestions what video I should do next. There's a lot of good transportations that I could do right now, but there's lots of things that I'm just really not into yet. Not really in this crazy mood yet. I would be recommended to do in these videos. It's pretty cool. They actually made power lines pretty, really, realistic and, that. I wish I could hire those guys and they could just make power lines to make the game more realistic and more, like that. However, that will not be the case. Though. That won't be the case. Because I know how much I've been recording for like at least 2 years. Videos are kind of going good, sometimes they're bad, good, bad, sometimes they're not really doing good as it was before. Well, sometimes these videos could be deleted or renamed, or it depends on what if I pronounce the names. Like an example, if I pronounce a bus in 2012, like bus 25 or 65 in 2012, even though it's a 2009 ICCE 300 with a max force DT, not a 2012 max force DT, just a 2009 with a max force DT. I had no idea. Pretty much had no idea. Even though I saw it once at Lake, and then I guess Lake don't know what they want to do with it, so they said screw it and take it to Calgary as a Southland fleet, as an exempt in Southland. I thought it was going to be exempt from Lake bus line though, but I guess they refused. I guess they kind of refused from Steiner County's transportation. They kind of refused, I guess, to have that bus for now. I guess they decided to give it to Southland instead. Well, I guess I don't have any evidence if it was actually in Kulik one time, because actually back then it was actually January of 2022, it was actually in there, and then I guess, and then after that it wasn't there to this day. So I'm pretty sure it's in Calgary or somewhere in Calgary or in Edmonton though. Confirmed. It's just pretty complicated when you look at buses and they just say Lake bus lines and they just don't really show on the Wikipedia page. It's just pretty sucks though. Like some can be not identified or sometimes it can be, but who knows. It's not easy because they're pretty everywhere. Lake buses are everywhere. Like rather if they're in St. Paul, Lac-Biche, Bonnyville, or Cold Lake, as where the main area, where the main shop is. Even though Cold Lake bus lines have 2 separate shops, one in Bonnyville, one in Cold Lake. They have 2 yards right now, but I guess, and it was like that when in 2018. I think it was like that in 2018 or later in 2017 or 18 though. Even though I really got used to running on a Cold Lake bus fleet for a short time until 2022. Until the driver had to retire, and then I have forced to go on a satellite bus, which actually nowadays I'm doing like mixed with Southland, Tolik, whatever. Because I see sometimes I see Tolik Westlands one more often a little bit. Because they're only the only buses you could see them in is in St. Paul and Alberta. That's the only thing they get you'll be seeing them. I did some videos on the Tolik fleet though when they were in St. Paul though, and at actually after all. Even though it's 3079 and the was actually one of the good popular videos, and people were so like the guy who actually was the responsible, who actually was with teamwork with Canadian Transit Division Border, aka well, I talked to his tech Spotlight about the bus, but however, he never texted back. He never texted me back on Gmail. Or never respond again, replied anything into the information that I have already officially have a Twitter account. Nothing happened. So also, if you guys actually were watching on Twitter and they say, why doesn't have the date when picture taken, blah blah blah. Well, that means if it doesn't say picture taken on what day, it means it was actually been taken today, or, you know, was been taken today. These are pretty hard. Why these buses can't handle this turn? I have to turn. I have to click. I have to press D or S twice in a row just so they can turn. I've been everything today, and also, how you guys doing today? I'm just doing great. I'm just chilling at home, just because I just had a tough day at a game. I went on a sports tournament yesterday, and jeez, it was really tough as hell. It was like, it was intense though. There was like a bunch of bad shit in the game, which is insane. Anyways, at least I tried to do this though, but you know, whatever. I won't spoil too much about what I've been doing all day, even though I don't usually do sports often usually. But after all, I am gonna be announced. So I'll give you a hidden update that so right now, the Southland game is already just been in development a bit, but still in the development. The Bluebirds, I think we should not worry about the Bluebirds, but also worry about the game in general, like the whole game itself. Like, don't worry about the big Bluebird, the visions themselves. Just worry about the game, because the game is getting closer and closer, as I'm supposed to get it released in late spring of 2024, but the progress was not began. It just was, you know, off and on. It's pretty rough though. Like, it didn't get any progress though. That's the bad news. It's never been getting progress at all. It's been just doing pretty much nothing. There's not really I can say. So, matter bus is so hard to turn at once in one video though. What in the world? Stop! Stop! Oh, I can't stand this one. Stop! Come on, stop! Stop! Stop moving like side to side though. My goodness. I'm probably trying to have a moving bus all the time. At least we're already in the elementary school. It's 3 o'clock right now though. Ah. It's not quite funny. Well, I'm already made it to the daycare just right now. I'll just wait till about 3:10 I think. Down to the other side of the map. This will make a bit of time though. A little pacing time though. So instead of doing like elementary 2 and 3 and 4, we're just gonna do it each video though. Instead of like doing 4 elementaries in one video. Cause it might take all day to do this video. Forever. It will take, it will be a really long video. If so, at least I'm not for real arguing it, because if it was, it would be just really crazy. I might with slowing down. Okay, I'm gonna stop singing this 1,000 miles though, because what the heck? Why am I singing this song? What the heck? What? You want me to sing it? Because that'll be copyright though. I'm gonna get copyright if I sing it though. I'll get copyright if I sing that though. Like for real though. If I end up singing it though, I'm gonna end up getting copyright strike because of it. Because I'm singing it. Yes, we're gonna make it. Yeah, we made it, kind of. Just before I read already, though. Oh, slow down. That turn. So the game is not pretty different compared to the bowling game itself. Well, not game, this game and this game. It's pretty different than the other one. The only difference is they have another highway system right down the road. Which I think I can show you in the next, really last video, I think. I think I'll be driving on Tom C2 if I can. But it depends on what buses that can be functional or really quick. I will probably do that, but stay tuned. I might make my mind on which bus I should take in one video. It depends, you know, it depends on how they function. If they kind of being too slow, I'll just don't make them in the video. Bluebirds are fine right now. I just really don't really like the. Are you serious? my Winder Avenue. Okay. Windier Avenue. That's where I am right now. At least I'm not doing all the schools in one video though, because that will take forever. But also might waste a time in the game. It'll be long, but also might take even longer than usual. There's lots of schools that you never think. But if you guys want me to have a tutorial how to find these schools, I think I'll do it right away. But also, you know, who knows? I might make one video on how to find these schools though. It would be kind of nice because nobody knows where all the schools are, or unless everyone knew. But also, if you guys are new, I'll link this game in the description because I get so many comments saying what game is this or whatever because how much I've never been linking in the description because people don't know what the game is and people want to know. And that's what I'll be doing in the next video. I'm gonna be linking some videos in the description just so people don't have to ask questions all the time though. People don't have to ask. Is this again? Of course it has this issue again. Gonna make it up with me though. Oh, just a few moments to spare. 5 seconds to spare though. Or it turned red again. I swear if it was red again, I would be really bad. If it was red, well, I'm just in the middle of dealing with this parking problem. I'm gonna be really bad though. Wait, we're on the road. We're actually on this exact road where our actually was. Is that the bad guys though? Was that the bad? What the heck? Was that the bad guys? Those bad guys. What the heck? That was like a thumbnail of the DreamWorks bag thing. No, it's just the Pepsi though. I think I was hallucinating for 1 second. But I don't know. I'm not sure what it was. I didn't even think. But I was like, damn, it's just the bad guys thumbnail from DreamWorks. So I was like, what the heck? No, it's not really. So if you see the construction right down the road, that's actually where the new highway is right now. They actually just started building a new highway right here. That's what you can tell. That's why there's a lot of construction right here. I think I might be taking for the 3rd high school. I think that would be coming soon though. Okay, my bus can't stand turning. Come on, turn. Don't just take forever. Oh my goodness. I'm not really a big fan of bloopers sometimes. They're just really hard to turn unless they're like this model. They can easily turn a lot, you know, cause of a little problem there. would be better if I had a short bus, so I don't have to drive a real long bus though. But I guess most kids will probably sit up front though, because I don't think kids will probably go in the back or anything. Like jump in the end, like wow, because how much the bus is pretty. Not only sometimes the buses can be. Well, I never experienced riding on a Bluebird though. But leave in the comments below how Bluebird, how do you experience, how can you experience a Bluebird in the rear back? Is it really bouncy or is it really expansion? Is it really expansion with the tire expansion like the C's and probably the some C2s? Well, some C2s don't actually really have too much. Yeah, sometimes these C2s can actually really get really bumpy though when they're actually comes to gravel roads. They can also be really noisy. Although every time there's a gravel road, they would just get really noisy though. But in normal roads, they're kind of sometimes bumpy though. But I never experienced riding on the back. I know how it can easily be balanced, real bouncy. CEs are more made for more comfortability, not really to be really bouncy. Like it's old buses, like their old Maxforce fleet, or was there before their Maxforce fleet? But for real though, even though after when they changed their buses to like buses were not pretty a big problem though, but as 2018 came by, I see buses were starting to present on their new PSI gasolines though in 2018 or for the 2019 model year though. Pretty much shortly that they actually added the new PSI gasoline or Canadian fleets, which they are the big game changer for Canadian fleet there. Mostly Canadian bus fleet, the gas fleet. This blurry thing again, though. I'm almost done this row and it's having a problem again. What is with these? Nice pressing the I'm actually here, but why is it not? I'm stuck. I think so. Step. And then get going. Get going. Get going. Oh. Anyways, yeah, that's what's happening right now. Is just not much happening. But right now we're just, dropping out some students, so it matters. I think we should be done right now. I'm just gonna turn down 107,000 over here. At least these roads are meant for buses that can come in, probably. I wish it would have been with that little mini valve so buses can turn around a little bit smoothly. But anyways, I'm just gonna end the video. If you guys are new, please smack the like and the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next bus video. Goodbye.